Well, hello, my friends, and new friends. I'm starting a new job. It's not that it's a physical job. I got muscles that it hurts. It hurts. And I decided that during these few weeks, where I'll be moving from London to the new house. That I would take some of my old videos from like 2014 on the old channel, Ron Perry, and bring them over to Just Another Scale Modeler channel, but also give a little bit of insight from 4 years later kind of thing. I've got hours worth of content. I was doing live streaming back then. So the small videos, I'm gonna do a little story and show you kind of like a Z-scale greenhouse that I built once, the preparations for the North Carolina project. The whole year building up to going to North Carolina, I had to build probably about, I forget exactly how big it was, probably about 40 or 50 feet of elevated trackage. So I'm going to make little videos like that for you, and hopefully you enjoy them. Remember that I am Patreon funded. YouTube doesn't make enough to buy you a coffee each month. So if you're interested, buy me a coffee every month on Patreon. It could be $1, $5 is good. I make 4 videos. 4 videos. Anyways, let's get to the video where we are building a Z-scale greenhouse kit from Stonebridge Designs. I do not believe this company is still in action. I think they actually worked with, they were a private kind of for-hire company that built kits for micro trains way back in the day. So please enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see every now and then on this channel, please consider becoming a patron. It would make me super proud and happy. Again, my name is Ron Perry, Just Another Scale Modeler, patreon.com/Ron Perry. Thank you very much.